Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Amazon Pay balance using UPI. This is a quick and convenient way to top up your Amazon wallet, making it easier to shop without entering your card details every single time. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account management page where you can access various settings and features. Now scroll down the page until you locate a section called Other Programs. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Amazon Pay. Click on it to proceed. Amazon Pay is your digital wallet on the platform, and this is where you'll manage your balance and payment methods. Once you're in the Amazon Pay section, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Sign In. A prompt will appear asking you to identify yourself, so choose I'm a shopper. This confirms you're accessing Amazon Pay as a customer rather than a merchant or business. Next, you'll see an option to add money to Amazon Pay balance. Click on this to begin the top-up process. A field will appear asking you to enter the amount you wish to add. Type in the desired amount in the Enter Amount field, keeping in mind any minimum or maximum limits that Amazon might have set. After entering the amount, click the Proceed button to move forward. At this point, you might be prompted with an option to only add money to Amazon Pay balance. If this appears, select it to ensure you're simply topping up your wallet rather than making a direct purchase. Now comes the payment method selection. Click on Other UPI apps or UPI as your preferred payment option. This will allow you to use any UPI-enabled app you have installed on your device for a seamless transaction. From the list that appears, select your preferred UPI app. This could be Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, or any other UPI service you regularly use. Once you've made your selection, the system will redirect you to your chosen UPI app. In your UPI app, take a moment to review the payment details. You'll see the amount you're adding and the recipient, which should be Amazon Pay. Select the bank account you want to use for this transaction, then enter your UPI PIN to authorize the payment. After entering your PIN, confirm the transaction. Once the payment is processed, return to the Amazon page. You should see a success message confirming that the funds have been added to your Amazon Pay balance. The great thing about UPI is that the funds reflect almost instantly, so you can start using your topped-up balance right away for purchases. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.